That was... Seriously, how do you go from crying with me to like laughing?
Oh, that was gross.
So Hailey showed me a TikTok and made me cry.
I cried too.
Yeah, we both cried.
I cried a lot today.
So you
today
can't...
my friend graduated from school. Congratulations to my friend, you're amazing. That's all. She watches the videos, I'm pretty sure.
Does she?
Yeah, I just don't like to say her name. I was talking about her in one of my videos the other day, but I don't know if she wants that, so I was like, I'm just
gonna... Do you know how many people have that name?
Yeah, a lot.
Okay.
But what if she doesn't want her name to be known? Anyways, hello, people of the internet.
Do you got a thumbnail?
Oh, I forgot. I never do those.
Hey everybody, and welcome. Today's video is another edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter.
I just got stuck in my head, so this was coming off of it, and I was holding on to this, and I was like, what if I was like, mother versus daughter? Okay. Anyways,
Hey guys, this is where we put our $12 Ipsy Glam Bags up against each other. They are profile based, and if you want more in depth about like the retail value of everything, what everything in here does, all of that, make sure to check out my dedicated video unboxing to this, where I do read off everything for you guys. This is where we focus on what I got in my bag, what Hailey got in her bag, and whose bag came out on top.
normally mine.
Whatever. Anyways, make sure to check Hailey out over on her channel for, I'm assuming you're going to do an unbagging as well.
Yes.
Where it's more
I
in
need
depth.
some Vlogmas videos.
Yeah, there we go. So definitely make sure to go check her out. I always leave her channel linked in the description box as well as in my comment section down below. If you guys are interested in signing up for Ipsy at the end of this, I do have a referral link, so does Hailey.
Do I?
Well, yeah, everybody gets one. It's not an affiliate. We don't have an affiliate link or anything like that. So,
okay.
anyways, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda. This is my gorgeous daughter, Hailey. And over here, we always embrace the hot mess.
Clearly.
It's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. I thought you were going to say it with me.
Sometimes I forget that part.
Oh, okay.
That's newer to me.
No, my bad. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so the first 5 minutes of every video, we have to take time to let Hailey play with
all the new things that she has out on her desk. There's literally always so much here. Like, you guys don't even understand. You don't see the whole room. Like,
it would be embarrassing right now.
I almost filmed my... Do you not remember those pictures I texted you of my actual whole room of my trash board?
But this is my work.
Yeah.
My workspace is
That's my living space.
Yeah.
Like, I live in that. Okay, anyways.
But I'm trying to do work-life balance.
Is this good?
Yeah, it's okay. It's for the makeup, no makeup. But I'm trying to do work-life balance. And the one thing I can't balance is keeping my beauty room clean because I'm using my extra energy for Peloton.
I'll clean the whole room for you.
Don't tempt me.
That can be your Christmas gift. Girl Christmas!
Okay, so like I said, Ipsy is profile based. I lie about my age. I say that I am in my mid-20s versus 42. And everybody does get the exact same bag, but as far as what's in the bag, you do get to pick one item.
I don't know if I did that.
I did not. Not on this bag, not on the other one, because the app was broke.
So it looked like I got my items I chose on my other one, but I couldn't do extras. My Ipsy app is just glitched out, and I thought it was her internet because Mom's internet not good.
No, I can turn it off, and I was still trying, and it wasn't working.
I even tried to do it at Dad's. I tried to do it at Grammy's.
Yeah. So it was, I guess, an Ipsy
malfunction, and it's been doing that for a couple of months for me with my add-ons.
So I can't sit here.
Money, though.
Nothing that is in here is anything that I picked, but if you guys already saw my individual unbagging, y'all already know. So go ahead and start off.
So my first item is this brush. The bean got, what is that? How do you say that?
Oh, that's a fancy word. I don't know.
Does it start with a G or a C?
You know what?
Oh.
It does have that on here.
I can't read cursive, so this could be really helpful. I mean, I can, but
you can.
Also I can't. It's a G. Oh, it's not even bean, it's view.
Really? I thought it was bean too.
View Gashi's Ipsy exclusive limited edition flat contour brush. And it's full size, obviously. It's a brush and it retails for $15.95 and it looks like this. Boom. This is what it looked like.
Okay.
Woo. Sorry, I'm on like woohoo because I just got to go back to my school for my friend's graduation and it was so great to be at school. My whole life revolves around school. Revolves.
Yeah. Okay, so my first item is the State Cosmetics Precision Liquid Liner, and this does have a retail value of 12 bucks, and I don't want it.
Give it to Hillary.
Yeah.
I told her I'd teach her how.
Yeah, she said I was going to give it to you, and then I remembered she's wanting to learn, so you can teach her. You're up.
That hurts. You're up. Oh.
You're up. Not Europe. You're up.
You're up.
You're up.
Europe. Anyways, my next item is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Airbrush Finishing Powder in translucent.
And I really like it because they changed it. It used to be stark white, and now it's like calmed down. It's really pretty.
Sometimes I like the stark white though because I am so pale. There's a little, oh wait, is that supposed to be, no it's not. I was like, there's a mirror. It's literally a plastic sheet. Yeah, I can't get it off, but this one
it's like so nice and soft. I'm actually excited about it.
Look at that filling in all my finger pads.
Okay. So my next item is by Hey Honey. This is a 24/7 Honey Day and Night Moisture Cream. And this is an expensive brand. I'm not mad about it. So, and it says it's for all skin types and it's for your face, neck, and eye area.
Oh wait, oh my gosh, look at this. We got the same thing. Okay, so I also got this Estate eyeliner. I just wasn't paying attention, so I didn't realize it.
So you got like 2 full-size items so far.
Yeah.
Dang. Okay, so
I got 3 actually.
My next item is the First Aid Beauty 5-in-1 Bouncy Mask.
Oh, no.
It Nourish, Calm, Firm, Plump, and Refine. And I am excited about that because I do love First Aid Beauty.
Woo! I also have a First Aid Beauty product. This is the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer.
And then my last item is the Feel Enzymatic Exfoliating Cleanser, which is only about here.
Oh.
Yeah.
My last item is the Lasting Smile Peppermint Cream Organic Lip Balm.
I feel like you get that a lot.
Lip balm?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like it though.
You got a lot of full-size products.
3 out of my 5.
Okay.
So your peppermint patty.
What is your?
And it's organic.
What's your thoughts?
I'm happy. I'll use everything. I've been putting all the brushes that I've been getting in my makeup kit for when I'm licensed and I can do makeup on other people. Green juice shot. Literally, it's like as soon as I come here, it's about to. Wow, those eyelashes are pretty. Anyways, today when people ask me when I take my test, I meant to say January and I said July. And they were like, oh my god, July, and they were like saying all these things. And I was like, guys, it's only a month away. And they're like, I'm like, what did I say? And they're like, July. And then I was like, oh, I meant January. They're like, oh. But can you bleep out the number date?
Yeah.
You can put them on.
You should probably like just watch what you say so I don't have to edit so much.
You get paid to do this.
Oh shoot.
I like my bag. I like the brush. I like the chapstick. I like the powder. I love the eyeliner. Love eyeliner. And I like the moisturizer. So I'm good.
I was really loving my bag when I unboxed it by myself.
Until she got to compare it to my wonderful bag.
Yeah, I think Hailey's bag won for sure. So I mean, as far as like, was it worth my 12 bucks? Yeah, I'm not mad about it. But Hailey's was definitely better. So Anyways, guys, like I said, make sure to check Hailey's channel out for more full in-depth unbagging if you guys are interested. Plus, she does a lot of get ready with me and all kinds of stuff.
Reviewing hot Cheeto.
I was just gonna say hot Cheeto mac and cheese. That made me want to freaking gag today when I was watching it.
I literally, when I think about it, like, and I literally bought 2 boxes of that, and I also bought the jalapeno ranch one, and I just can't even try it. Like,
it looks so yucky.
I don't even think I can donate that to the food pantry without feeling guilty. So I'm just gonna throw it away.
Yeah, you guys gotta check out that video. She like. It made my tummy hurt.
It just looks toxic.
It really does.
Good. I'm not gonna stop eating regular
like
hot Cheetos though.
Mass belly explosion looking. Anyhow, anyways, guys, don't forget to follow me on my second channel and over on Instagram. And until next time, as always, we hope you have
a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day.
Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.